AutoDS versus CJ Dropshipping, which one is better? Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go about another compare and contrast between two dropshipping service providers, CJ Dropshipping and AutoDS. And we are going to start with AutoDS. So AutoDS is an all-in-one automatic dropshipping tool that helps customers effortlessly manage their online stores by automating product listing, inventory tracking, product research, order fulfillment, and so on and so forth. And we are going to begin with its pros and cons. So the pros are: provides reliable customer support, automation of multiple suppliers, convenient inventory management, which a lot of people are looking for, lots of time-saving features, and a one-click product import feature. The cons, however, there is no trial, there's no free trial, everything is priced, and the UI can be confusing, especially for beginners. So those are the pros and cons. Now, if you go to trustpilot.com here, a website for reviews and whatnot, as you can see here, this is AutoDS. It has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, which is so high, based off of over 9,231 reviews. So as you can see here, the breakdown is as follows. 5-star is over 88%, right? 4-star is 8%. 3-star is less than 1. 2-star is 1%, and 1-star is 3%, surprisingly. But again, if we go back to our pros and cons, this probably is the UI or people who are just like very new to dropshipping. So if you go and see all the reviews here, these are all people. These are not botted, by the way. And as you can see their location. So this one's from the US, right? A lot from the US, SCA, Canada, Singapore. So again, very high, very, very high. And again, if you go to their website, this is their website. I'm going to show you their features, the features of AutoDS, so that you could have an idea of what you're going to get. So as you can see here, it says here, 1.8 million plus dropshippers who use the platform. It has over $1 billion earned by said dropshippers, and it had over 800 million winning products available. Right. So what are the features? They have a product research system. They have a built-in AI Shopify store. Right. Get an AI-built Shopify store with winning products ready to sell pages to kickstart your dropshipping business. You can also import products. So you can import over 500 million products from global suppliers in just one click, which is pretty handy. And they also have fulfilled by AutoDS, which is automation when it comes to tracking, orders, and returns for the buyers, right? Of course, they also have their own print and demand. They have product sourcing, and they have 24/7 live chat support with an average of 1 hour in terms of response time by their professional support team that will 100% help you with whatever query or issue you have with the service. And they have 14-day trial for $1, which is pretty cool, right? So this is the supported worldwide suppliers. Work with reliable and trustworthy suppliers from all over the world that are supported by AutoDS. As you can see here, AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, Home Depot, Banggood, Walmart, eBay, Costco, Overstock, Costway, Lowe's, dropshipping.com. And they have eBay, WooCommerce, Shopify, Etsy, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, and TikTok. Right? So those are the suppliers. And as you can see, pretty cool animation that we have here. And here, of course, you're going to have reviews, right? We already saw reviews, but this is the Shopify reviews. And they have reviews from Shopify App Store, Capterra, GetApp, and this one. Now we go to pricing. So when it comes to pricing for AutoDS, it depends on the platform, right? Whether you're eBay, Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy, and TikTok. It depends, right? So it is divided into 4 plans. So you have import, you have starter, you have advanced, and then you have a customized. This is for big businesses, pretty much. So import, you pretty much get 200 products. Product research tool is available. Draft manager is available. You can see all the available goods, right? And you could see the one that doesn't have checks. Those are not available for that plan. So again, it depends on the platform, right? This is eBay. Shopify is much more expensive. Facebook is more expensive. Amazon is very expensive. Wix, not as much as good as Shopify, right? WooCommerce, same thing. Etsy, same thing. And then TikTok is a bit more expensive. But again, Amazon, which is the biggest platform for selling, right? There you go. And you can just, again, just scroll down, show you. There we go. And yeah, that is AutoDS. CJ Dropshipping is a comprehensive website that helps dropshippers undertake their business in every aspect: product sourcing, warehousing, order fulfillment, and shipping. Literally every service of dropshipping can be fulfilled by CJ Dropshipping in one website. In a scale of 10, CJ Dropshipping gets a score of 9.3 because we're going to break it down. Ease of use is 9.1 out of 10. Features is 9.5 out of 10. Costs and fees is 9.5 out of 10. And overall is 8.9 out of 10. Overall meaning other miscellaneous features. And we are going to go through pros and cons. The pros are free to use. They're free, of course. They handle absolutely everything that you could possibly need in a dropshipping service. You are provided with your own personal agent that will get in touch with you and touch base. Impressive product catalog. You can also add your own branded materials. Products can be quality checked, and they have warehouses across the globe. The cons, however, are as follows. They only have Google Chrome extension available. Beginners can be overloaded with information, which is, it'll overwhelm you. And too much loading in account dashboard. Now we are in the CJ Dropshipping website. As you can see, fulfill your dropshipping dreams. So if you scroll down, this is pretty much what you're going to see. They have over 10 global warehouses, over 1,300 cooperated factories, over 1,500 trusted e-commerce stores, and over 120 partner couriers worldwide. Pretty amazing. And this is how CJ Dropshipping does the work for you. So you source and sell winning products, connect store and list products, auto-sync store orders to CJ and pay for them, and then fulfill and track customer orders as you see fit. So these are the personal services and features. These are the main ones. So quick sourcing. When you cannot find your ideal product, they can help you find it and sell it for a good price. 3PL fulfillment. You can ship and have your products stocked in their warehouses so that they can fulfill your orders directly. Custom packaging. You can design your own customized packages when you pretty much, set out your products. Original design manufacturer. Print on demand. Very self-explanatory. Photo/video shooting services. Provide photo/video shooting services, empowering your advertisement, which makes it better. All right. So speaking of photos and videos, products and videos, CJ Dropshipping provides videos for different items. They are created in their production studio. Facebook advertisers and other companies can use these videos for free. So if you partner with CJ Dropshipping, you can do this for free. This is pretty much the request for. So select product, start existing product, individual product, select the store, put input product name, and you can choose either video or photo. You can choose a photo quality and shooting instructions so that you could give them a detailed instruction on how you want the video to be shot and filmed. They will also source any item that you ask for them to. So just give them the product URL if you find it in another website. And then you begin with 5 sourcing requests per day, which should suffice for many businesses, especially when you're starting out. The actual amount of sourcing requests that you can make will be based on the number of products you've sold using CJ Dropshipping as your dropshipping service provider. So this is the sourcing form. As you can see here, store existing product or individual product. So as you can see, select store, product tag, and then product name. So this is pretty much the source, and then you send it to them and they'll sort things out for you. We mentioned custom packaging earlier, so it is another convenient feature. You can create your own brand so that you can set your store and yourself apart from other dropshipping competitors. So as you can see here, you can choose whatever packaging material you want. So there are cartons, plastic boxes, cloth, or plastic bags, and so on and so forth. There you go. When it comes to their print on demand feature, it's one of their lesser known features, but it is very impactful. As you can see here, you could create print on demand stuff. Not only shirts, you can do You can do bracelets, you can do necklaces, you can do pendants. You can also do a chain, right? So that's pretty cool. And when it comes to the warehouse locations, you can access all of CJ Dropshipping's products that are located in different countries across the globe. As you can see here, you have a global warehouse and you have a local warehouse that is near where you're located. And here are CJ Dropshipping's partners. So as you can see here, we have Shopify, WooCommerce, WE, eBay, Shopee, TikTok, Business, Lazada, and Nuvem Shop. There you go. They also have an affiliate program, so if you want to do that, just click on that. And this is pretty much their affiliate program. You just scroll it and just check out what it's about. You can also use it on your mobile device, not only on the desktop. So again, Apple App Store and Google Play Store. But if you wanted to use your desktop, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see here, sourcing. The main menu is on the left side. As you can see here, products, services, authorizations, and so on and so forth. And the thing about his is there's a lot of things that you need to do, right? So this, again, I said this earlier, this might be very overwhelming if you're just starting out with dropshipping. So CJ Dropshipping, as good as it is not ideal for somebody who's just starting out. So that's CJ Dropshipping. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.